get my point, everyone? Like for example, ako, no? Meron akong investment. Later I'll discuss I want everybody to stay because in the end we will discuss the JP Morgan Fund. Exciting 'yon. Kailangan niyo doon niyo makikita yung application na pinagsasabi natin ngayon today, no? Makikita niyo doon na in case that there are changes of the market, isang click lang, pak, lipat ako. Ang tanong, if the real estate market, which is sorry is starting to bubble now. Nakita niyo yung dami nating mga ano ngayon, no? Sa report, no? In case that you want to exit, is it possible for you within 3 p.m. naka-exit ka na sa pagbebenta mo ng condominium? What's your answer for it? Is it a yes or is it a no? Anyone? Gaano ka-liquid ang specific a traditional type of asset? No, very good. Very good. Importante as investors, no, na we are kailangan liquid ka, no? Kasi yun ang the challenges now in the 21st century is unlike the 20th century, no, na mas simple pa buhay, no? Mas mabagal pa ang buhay. The response of the market doesn't fluctuate 30%, 50% within a day. Bihirang-bihira lang yung gano'n noon. Pero ngayon, it happens within a day. Look at what happened to the pandemic. Sino nagkaroon ng losses ng 50%? Sinasabi nila, "Oh, it's a bull market now." But however, we're still not on the peak. Hindi natin pa naaabot yung 12,000 or ano ba yun, 8,000 to 12,000 area. Kung na doon ka nang invest that time, yung iba nakakalabas agad. How about the others? That's important, liquidity. Very, very important. The quantitative analysis, the qualitative analysis, and also the liquidity, it goes hand in hand. That is very important. Okay? So let's proceed So ito yung mga discussion ko dito, everyone It's not only all by the book. It is based not only by the book, but also by experience. By the way, paano nangyari dun sa pandemic? Yung nagkaroon ng zero, the gas went to zero. I sold everything, then I bought shares. Lahat ng pwede kong bilhin, binili ko. Bakit kamo? There's no such thing as oil is equal to zero. Walang ganun. It doesn't happen. Liquidity is there. I want to invest. I put my money on it. Within 3 months, nakabili ako kotse. That's liquidity. See, that your ability to react on the specific market condition. Okay, let's proceed. Any questions? Wala na? Type your answers if you have questions Okay. Risk levels. Okay. There are different types of risk levels, especially for investors, no? So, I believe for the accountants, no, we have different types of financial ratios, no? We have the acidity level, etc., to test the financial statements. However, in fund management, we also follow those financial ratios. Let me get my my notes. So ako personally, hindi ko nagagawing complicated, no? for your lesson, kasi today is actually a basic about fund management, I will not tackle how you were able to derive those ratios. Most of the time, given yon ng isang specific investment. Okay? Given siya ng mga